Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into something really exciting for all you Android photography enthusiasts. We'll be taking a look at a Leica-branded Google Camera port, or GCam, that you can install on almost any Android phone without needing to root it. This special version of GCam not only brings Google's incredible image processing to your phone, but also adds that iconic Leica look and feel, right down to the watermark. Now, a quick but important disclaimer before we start. While this port is designed to work on a wide variety of Android devices, due to the sheer number of different phones, processors, and camera sensors out there, it might not work perfectly or at all on some models, so your mileage may vary. The download link will be in the description below, so you can test it out for yourself. Under Main Settings and then Advanced, you will find the core controls for how your final image looks. Let's talk about sharpness. You will get various options like Poly Sharp Sharpen, RAISR, Smoothing and Noise, Saber/Spatial RGB, Processing Export etc. Okay, now for the feature many of you are here for, the watermark. This is what gives your photos that premium Leica branding. You can choose from different Leica logos. You can set the background for the text. White gives it that classic clean look. You can customize the text that appears on the watermark. By default, it shows your phone's camera details, which is pretty cool. You can also choose how the date and time are displayed. It's a small touch, but it adds a lot of character to your photos and makes them feel like they came from a much more expensive camera. Now let's dive into the more advanced settings under Extended Settings. Focus tracking option is incredibly useful for photographing moving objects like pets, kids, or vehicles. It tries to keep the focus locked on your subject. Override maximum zoom. By default, this is off. If you turn it on, you can digitally zoom in further than your phone normally allows. Be warned, quality will degrade significantly, but it's there if you need it. So there you have it, a full tour of the settings in this amazing Leica GCam port. By tweaking these options, you can go from taking a simple point-and-shoot photo to a carefully crafted image with incredible detail, dynamic range, and of course, that stylish Leica watermark. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let me in the comments down below if it worked on your phone and what model you're using. It could help others in the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.